welcome to my channel again. Now we're going to make an salted egg. Now what's the ingredients? We have a pair of water, jar, eggs, salt, and a cover of this. Now let's start making a salted egg. Hello guys, now we're going to dissolve the salt into the water. Now and it will not break. Put the mixture here. Today is June 4th and June 4, 2020. Open on June 25, 2020. And let's put this here. Be careful to close it tightly. And we're going to update you after 3 weeks. Today is June 4th. Today is June 26th.